morning, ladies and gentlemen and honoured guests. I am pleased to be standing here with you all today to listen to the first official sounding of the refurbished historical bell. Events like this bring our community together. This bell has marked memorable events in the lives of residents over 100 years. So it is very exciting to be here to listen to the bell ring out once more at Stapleford. I hope it will now continue to ring for many years, with 12 bells chiming at 12 o'clock every day. The refurbishment of the bell is part of an ongoing project, and we hope very much to see the building in use once more. It is available for both tenancy, both commercially and for community use. And I'm sure that we'd all like to see this beautiful chapel at the Borough of Stapleford. Sadly, without a use, it is difficult to allocate money to this project. Now I would like to hand over to the Mayor of Stapleford, Councillor Bob Brown, to give you another short speech. Thank you.
Well, thanks very much for coming, and thank you, Storm Eric, for coming. You weren't invited, so it's even more of a good thing that you managed to come anyway. So we're very happy to see you here today. Thanks to the Mayor of Broxtowe and wife Sonia. I've got to know them over the past year. They do a lot, not only in their public life, but their personal one as well for the community. So I'm really grateful to see you here. And of course, they represent Broxtowe, that are given some money to upkeep the fabric of this building. I've got to admit, I was slightly disquieted when I first heard that money was going to go to an empty building. But a lot of people in Stapleford put me right on that and said how much it means to them. I know one person who's been allotted historically, for example. But how much it symbolises as it represents their families who may be here. When we heard that the bell was perfectly sound, do forgive that pun, but the housing was going into disrepair. It was a case of either do it now or spend a lot more in the future, and we don't think that current generations and future generations of Staplefordorians would forgive us if we didn't take action now. Also, in the last year, it represents something we could do for the 30th anniversary of Stapleford Town Council, so we thought it was a good thing to put money into. What I particularly like about this restoration, unlike a lot of the money that's given to, say, for the facade of a building, this was given to something with a sound. So those who are visually impaired can also be included in this restoration. This is what I particularly like. So I'll stop if the bells go. Bells. They can ring in alarm, they can ring to warn us of things, they can ring in celebration, as you know from your weddings, but they can also ring as a point of reflection. I've got somebody close to me buried behind me, and I think some of you have as well. And when the bell sounds, it provides that link to them, even though you can't, even if you can't be here. We're lucky to live in earshot of it. So those of you who've got the same, I think you'll feel the same thing. Those of you who haven't anybody here, it's no accident that many religions use the sounding of a single note as a point of reflection. So I think that provide that point as well as course of being a timepiece, because it'll be at 12 o'clock each day. So thank you very much for coming. Last, of course, just in time before the bell sounds. Thank you very much. Now, how come we're out in the rain and you're in the dry? 2 minutes. Oh, yeah, 10 minutes of a break.
When it rings and falls down, everyone's underneath it. That's why I've stood here.
Right above your head.
Trying to get out the way, isn't it? Yeah.
Just do a quick one up here.
And any time now it's going to go off. Everyone waiting, and it's right above them all.
Dong in there.
Hey?
Dong in there for them.
No, it's good. Just, I hope so.
Exciting. Is it loud?
I think so. It was when we lowered it and smacked it with a spanner before it went away to be repaired.
So enjoying your new role then? Yes. Yeah.
Have you two met?
I just realised who.
Well, okay, that's what I was just going to say.
Sorry, yeah, I'm getting there. A lot of work at first, but there's market left and Kim was off sick. So I'm here for 2 weeks, first 2 weeks.
That's a long 2 minutes we waited, isn't it?
And then after that, the caretaker, she came.
outside of it.
That's why I'm stood here. It's going to go. Has anyone plugged it in? Have we plugged it in? Yeah, of course I did. Yeah, they didn't know if they could come.
Yeah, they're afraid of the weather. That's what it is.
Done 2 minutes here.
Oh, still?
Yeah.
I thought it was 2 minutes ago.
Yeah,
So I just said, has anyone actually plugged it in?
Yeah.
Oh, we're still waiting, we've got 2 minutes.
It's the right time.
I wish you ill.
It's alright. Wait for 2 minutes, can't we?
Of course, we can't mention any alcohol.
We've got to, haven't we?
I'm doing a photo, you're doing a photo.
Oh, okay.
Hold it up a little high, just for a minute.
There.
Yeah, a bit high, so you tilt it.
That way?
I've got top, I ain't got top in yet.
Oh, hang on, you mean like that?
Yeah.
Right, so I get you now, yeah.
Is that something to do with?
No, that's to scare the birds off in the field, apparently. No, we've got to be nearly there, haven't we?
There's me gabbling away thinking it's going to come any time.
Right, it's worth the wait. It sounds really nice.
I've never heard it. We didn't hear it on that night, did we?
No, we did when we lowered it. We tested it, so it sounds really nice. How you doing?
I like the top to it. I wish it could be found. It could be found, but it'll have to. 12. Has it? Oh, it has. Oh. Does that happen every time?
Almost can, huh?
I think that's itself.
Hey! That's it, 12 times. Well done, Craig. Well done, mate.